game. Alright, so again, the start went. Ayan, so tawagan natin partner. Ang isa sa kanila, ayan, so 5 sila, no? Ayan, so straight line na po tayo dito.
Dito po tayo.
Yes. That's right, straight line. Okay, so unahin na natin partner. Siyempre yung nakaupo na ang unahin natin. Okay, ayan, straightforward na lang po tayong on teaser. Of course, kilalanin muna natin siya. Sir, ano pong pangalan natin? Sir JB, ilang taon? 18! Alright, dahil 18 ka na, sir. Ayan, so may jowa po ba kayo? Ayan. Okay, mali natin. Mabuhay ang mga single sa 2025. Okay, sir, so bibilangan po namin kayo, sir. So dapat mahaba at ang malakas ang pagbigkas po natin ng happy birthday. Ayan. So happy birthday na lang po yung babanggitin po natin. So ready ka na ba, sir? You should be ready. Alright, ready? And happy birthday and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 counts! Alright, Sir JB, dyan ka muna sa side. And of course, partner, sino ang gusto mong sumunod? Ayan. Girl. Yan. Alright, so ano pong pangalan po natin, ma'am? Ma'am Ana, ilang taon na po si Ma'am Ana?
7.
7! Oh, nakakala ko sa iyo na isa partner. Alright, so Ma'am Ana, taga saan po kayo?
Pampanga.
From Pampanga. Ayan, so may jowa po ba kayo?
Meron.
Ayun. Nasaan po ang jowa? Nasaan po?
Nandiyan po.
Ayun! Ako yun lang. Okay, so 9 counts po ang ating tatalunin. Ayan, so hopefully you will make it ready and go.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ayun! 14 counts!
14 counts, ma'am.
Alright, so Sir JD, paalam ka muna and Ma'am Ana. Ayan, so ikaw po ang leading po natin and
Ikaw muna rin.
sabay tayo.
Nasaan?
Ang nagtatago? Pang-finale daw si Sir.
Okay, top finale daw.
Yes.
So, ikaw na lang, sir. Ayun.
Ayan, so again, ilang counts ulit partner?
40.
Oo. 40 pounds. Okay, ayan, so anong pangalan po natin, Sir?
Jack.
Sir Jack. Ayan, so ilang taon?
9.
Nine ako! Papakalang pa ba kayo na nag-guest natin, partner? O sige, 6 months na rin ako. Hindi pa po. Ayan, so may jowa po ba kayo, sir? Ayan, nandito siya kayo, sir? Ay, wala. Taga saan po kayo?
Vegan.
Ay, taga vegan. Okay. Okay. At dahil dyan, sir, 14 counts ang ating ibigit. Ayan, so I think you are ready. So, let's do this and go. Yeah! Ready and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 7, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50! Ayun! Nako! 25 partner! Yes! Sa ngayon ang buhay ko dito sa Jollibee, ngayon lang may 50 counts.
And we have a winner!
Hindi ko yan na Iuwi pa rin natin. Ayan, si Sir Legend, meron siyang 50 counts. So, maraming salamat.
Okay,
Yes,
proceed. Alam ko kaya niya yan.
Kami mo 54, ma'am. Ayan, ma'am. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you.
Ayan, so name, ma'am.
Ay, wala nang interview.
Ay, wala nang interview na. Ayan, ano pong pangalan, ma'am?
Wala na kasi ako.
Oo, nagsama kami sa vegan. Ayan, so anong pangalan, ma'am?
Chad.
Ma'am Chayan. So, ilang taon na po?
5.
Pababa ng pababa talaga. Ayun, so, taga saan, ma'am?
Narbangan na isang sa
Yes! At dahil dyan, may jowa po kayo, madam.
Singa!
Yeah! Okay, sumali natin partner, di ba? Ayan, at dahil dyan, ayan, 50 count yung ating tatalunin or ibibit. Ayan, so hopefully you can make it po. Ready, and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Ayun! Alright, so sayang naman. Dahil 26 counts lang, so babay muna tayo. And for the finale! Ayun! Ayan! Woo! Yung entrance isa, parang lalabang ngayon. Maraming supporters. Okay, ayan sir, ano po ang pangalan po natin?
Joshua.
Sir Joshua, ilang taon?
5 months.
5 months! Oo. Ayan. Okay, so taga saan po?
Los Angeles, California.
Ayun! Mamaya part, alam na natin kung saan tayo kukuha ng tip. Baka tipin yung matanggap natin. Okay, sir, may jowa po kayo?
Yeah.
Ay, ayan. Ilan po? Ay, ayan, sa puwang jowa. Aba, matindi si sir. May ebidensya. Ayan, so again, ang jowa ko ni Sir Joshua ay 10. Nagagalit na si ma'am. Okay, so again, 50 counts po ang ibig po natin. Ayan, so I know you can do it. So, in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ayun! Mr. Joshua, puro yaba! Ayan! Sabi maraming salamat po. Ang winner natin partner, siyempre ay si Sir
Jack.
Yan! Okay, since for busy po yung game po natin, again, makakatanggap ka ng regalo. Ayan, galing kay Nico and Aloys. Okay, so ngayon, Kuya Markel, ang ating next game, syempre, pang bata pa rin. Ayan, so kailangan natin dito ng mga kids po natin or adults na may bit-bit na mga items na aming babanggitin. Okay, for the first item, Kuya Michael, ayan, so kailangan po namin ng 2 representante dito sa harapan na may bit-bit na 1,000 peso bill.
1,000 peso bill.
Ayan! May nauna na. Ayan. And one for you, Kuya Michael. Ay, nako. Kompleto na po. At dahil dyan, syempre, bibigyan namin kayo ulit ng
That's
prize.
non-stop, or are
Ayan,
you
galing kay
posting it
Nico
or
and
posting it in
Eloy.
another
Alright,
game?
so Kuya Michael, inaasa na
You continue.
1,000 peso bill and say,
I'll continue. You continue. Next game.
Salamat po. Ayun. So, Kuya Michael, saan mo yan gagamitin?
Ayan, simple lang naman ang sa 1,000. Dahil malaki naman ang pasukan. Ayun, notebook, bag, sapatos.
Ang ipabili ulit na ang losartan ulit. Kasi kahit tayo madami na kain this following days. Ay, again, maraming salamat po. Nakakaupo na ba kayo? Pwede tayong kumain sa paalam. Bye-bye! Charot lamang po. Sige, babalik po namin yan. Ayan.
Ano doon, ma'am?
Tikpan naman rin po kayo. Sabi ni Mami, hindi pwede. Okay, so next naman partner, kailangan namin ng isang yung representante dito sa harapan na may bit-bit pong 3 puting buhok. Ayan! White hair!
4.
3! Alright, so we need, ayan, 3 white hair. Ayan.
Wala.
Kulay na si Madam. Ayan. Oo, sige. Oo, dapat daw pinupulot. Ayan, so wala. Ito na lang, partner. Bring me something na ginagamit ni ate, ni mami, ni lola, minsan ni kuya sa labi. Ayan, ginagamit sa labi. Ayan. Ayan. Din partner. Dahil dyan, ma'am, meron kang prize. Ayan. Ang cute-cute naman. Okay, so next naman, partner.
Okay, next. Bring me natin something na ginagamit ni Daddy. Ano po yung mga bagay na ginagamit ni Daddy sa ulo? Ayun, eksakto. So, prize po natin. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, ayan, so dalawa na ng partner. Ayan, of course, sa ating exciting part of this teams and prizes, mamaya, kakailanganin na po namin ng presensya ng 5 lalaki at 5 mga babae
Yes.
for our finale game. Masaya to, partner. Ayan, so dalawa na lang. Ayan, so bring me cellphone! Charger!
Cellphone charger!
Ayan, cellphone!
Ito.
Ano yan? Power bank?
Ano siya?
Ayun, merong mas maganda partner. Ayan.
Yung
So,
charger.
ayan. Okay, and $4 na bring natin. Bring me something na ginagamit sa tenga. Ayan. Ayun. Partner, nanalo na si ma'am. Ayan, so meron ang prize, ma'am. Ayan, so bigay po yan ni Nico and Eloise. And of course, Nico and Ma'am Eloise. Ayan, so kaya po ay narating na ang inyong special na bisita na si Jollibee. Ayan, balita ko, partner, si Jollibee daw ay sasayaw. Ayan, together with our salad rod. And of course, we have also a birthday wish together with Jollibee and of course, the host of Jollibee, Narvacan. So at this moment, ayan, so proceed na po tayo sa ating finale game at pinakamasaya partner na kailangan po natin ng 5 babae versus ng mga lalaki for our game na tinatawag po natin basketball dito sa Jollibee. Ayan. Okay.
Ayan, Ma'am Joy, maghanap ka po ng 4 na babae, pang-5 po kayo. Ayan. And of course, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan, nasa po yung team ni Sir Josh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sir, nakaputi, ikaw, sir, tas ikaw din. Ikaw din, sir, sali ka.
One, forward players, and dribble, jump, and pass to player number 2. Number 2, dribble, ikot, and make an exhibition. Give gamit ang balloon, and player number 3. Number 3, magpalitan ng balloon, and ikot, at sumigaw ng happy birthday. And the 2-player number 3. Number 3. Ay, number 4. Number 4. Ikot. And pass to player number 5. Number 5. Dribble. At sumayaw ng 8.
Kaya.
Sabi sir, ano nga naman? Ayan, sunod po yung ating game. And of course, para malaman po natin yung mananalo, ayan, and to determine who will be the winner, ayan, if you hear the word shoot the balloon, meaning to say that is your moment to pop up your balloon using your butt. Ayan. Okay, so ulitin po natin, if you hear the word shoot the balloon, that is your moment and chance to pop up the balloon. And of course, yung makakapop up ng balloon partner, ayan sila yung declared natin winner for our game.
Yeah.
And if you hear play the music, meaning to say, ayan, so we have a music to play, all you have to do is to dance. Ayan, groove and dance with the music. So partner, Ayan, so final game na po tayo. So makinig po tayo ng maayos. Hindi po sunod-sunod yung mga number na tatawagin po namin. And go!
Pass the ball to player number 4. So number 3. Number 3. Dribble. Pass to player number 3. So number 4. So number 1. Dribble. Turn around. And pass to player number 2. Number 2. Ikot. Talon. Dribble. And play the music. Talon. Ikot. And pass player number 4. Number 4. Ikot. And play the music.
Eto na!
And pass player number 5. So number 1. Dribble. And of course, play the music.
Let's go! Enjoy! Let's do this, the Filipino culture dance! Wish as Sisiwe!
And pass the player number 5. Dribble. Talon. And of course, sasayaw ka rin lang. 8. And pass the player number 5. So number 3. Dribble. Talon. And play the music.
Let's go, Janelle!
Yan! Isa pa!
And pass the player number 1. So number 2. So number 3. So number 4. So number 1. So number 4. So number 5. So number 3. So number 4. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 4. And shoot the ball!
Okay, so there's the third group. Ayan, thank you so much. And of course, sa ating team winner, meron kayong electric fan!
Ayan, congratulations, nanalo kayo ng
Yes, budget po tayo today. Ayan, so you will receive a manual electric fan, sir. Ay, sa choose one. Ayan. Okay, ayan, so partner dyan nagtatapos ang ating games and prizes. And of course, mamaya lamang po ay darating na po ang ating special guest na si Jollibee. Ayan, so enjoy the rest of the hour. Once again, this is Amazing Enzo Renzo together with
Category Michael.
lagi nagsasabing sa Jollibee, Pita ang saya! Ayan, so sabi nila partner ay ready na daw ang ating special guest. So everyone, samahan niyo po kami mag-countdown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 para po sa ating special guest. Ayun! Okay, so partner, ready ka na ba?
Ready?
Yes, at dahil dyan, everyone, let's count down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, ang bida ng saya walang iba kundi si Jollibee! Alright, so once again everyone, yan po ang ating best friend, ang bida ng saya, ang nag-iisang si Nico at Eloise.
Hanapin mo Jollibee. Eloise and Nico. Yes, that's right, Jollibee. Yan ang ating birthday celebrant na si Sir Nico and Eloise. So, may request Nico and Eloise. And of course, the loving parents of our birthday celebrant.
Okay, ayan, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, our celebrants together with the loving parents.
Okay, family picture.
Okay, so again, later on, partner, of course, we will hear also the message coming from the loving parents. Ayan, and of course, the relatives of our celebrant, and of course, the birthday message of Nico and Eloise, together with Jollibee. Ayan, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, our best friend ng lahat na si Jollibee.
And of course, Jim, Isma.
Okay, so at this moment, lahat po ng mga guests po natin, sugod na po tayo dito sa harapan for the group picture together with our celebrants and of course, the loving parents. Ayan. Alright, so again, ayan sa lahat ng guests po natin, sugod na po tayo in the front. Ayan for our picture taken together with Jollibee and the loving parents and of course, the queen and king for the celebration, our big Nico and Eloise.
Yes, po. So, family picture muna tayo. And sa mga relatives po ng ating birthday celebrant, ayan po, good picture po tayo with Jollibee, and of course, ayan. Lahat po ng mga family friends. Ayan, salita na po kayo, ma'am. Ayan, lahat na po tayo, picture na tayo with Jollibee.
I'm here. I'm here.
I'm here, I'm here.
Let's A. Let's do the A. Let's do the A.
Okay, let's do the A. One more. Okay, one more.
Ayan.
Give your best smile. 3, 2, 1. And isang A naman tayo dyan. A! Okay, one more.
What about her?
Okay, so everyone keep on smiling. Ayan, para sa ating pag-capture ng kanilang best moment for this celebration.
Uy. I can't see.
Sorry.
No, I'm good.
Okay, so again, one photo for me. Okay, ayan. So once again, let's sing Happy Birthday!
Alright, everybody sing happy birthday!
Alright!
Bill! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Isa pa! Alright, say Nico, Mom Eloise, and of course, Daddy Joyce, and Mom Joy, please close your eyes and make a wish.
Feeling daddy. Bida-bida ako Jollibee.
And blow out the candle.
Bida-bida.
your partner. Of course, we may also hear the birthday message coming from the loving parents, and we will start with, of course, the loving daddy, Sir Josh. Your birthday message to Nico and Alois.
Happy birthday, Alois Nico. So glad you guys have a fun time with all your family here in the Philippines. We'll definitely be back. It's lots of fun.
Alright, and of course, maraming salamat, Sir Josh. And of course, Ma'am Joy, your birthday message to Nico and Alois, and of course, to everyone coming and celebrating with.
Happy birthday, Eloise and Nico. I'm so glad we're here celebrating and spending time with our family. You're meeting all of your family here in the Philippines. And we will be back again. One more time with you.
Okay, so maraming salamat po, loving parents, and of course, Happy New Year! Ayun! And of course, partner, balita ko ay meron ding birthday message ang ating bisita sa oras na ito na si Jollibee. So, ilan yun, Jollibee? Ayan, so merong tatlo birthday wish ang ating minamahal na si Jollibee. So, ang una, partner, ay...
Okay, ang una Jollibee ay si Sir Nico at Eloise ay lumaking strong, happy, gaya ni Jollibee. And of course,
Yes.
gaya kayang mommy and daddy sa lahat po ng mga John
Alright, and of course, the second one, Jollibee ay... Ayan, si Sir Nico and Mami Lois ay lumaking gwapo at maganda. Ayan, gaya ni Jollibee. Siyempre, gaya ng kanyang pinagmanahan partner, the loving parents, and of course, ang minamahal na mga family members ng ating celebrant. And for the finale, Jollibee ay... Ayan, si Nico and Alois ay... Ayan, mananatiling madasalin. Ayan, sa behalf of Jollibee, naroon mga kaibigan, of course, our birthday wish naman po para kay Nico and Alois. Siyempre, always may respect or have a respect. Ayan, sa mga parents po niya, and include po yung kanyang mga family members, mga kaibigan or family friends po. Ayan, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, si Jollibee and Nico and Alois. Sarang saya na si Jollibee together with my team na si Kuya Amazing Answer, Patrick Michael, and of course, si Kuya Jim. Ayan yung may alam po ng step po, pwede kayong sumagot. Yan. Okay, so again, everyone, yan po ang ating best friend na si Jollibee.
And sa mga gusto pong mapapicture kay Jollibee, ma'am and sir, sulit-sulitin na po natin. If 20 counts, magpapaalam na po ang ating best friend na si Jollibee. Kaya naman, sulit-sulitin na po natin ang papapicture kay Jollibee together with Nico and Eloy. 8:20!
19!
80!
Okay, so again, sulitin na po natin magpa-picture. Ayan, dahil magpapaalam na po ang ating best friend in 17,
16!
15,
14!
and let's move on to 13,
12!
11,
10!
9,
8!
7,
6! 4!
3,
2!
1.
Card.
Alright, so mga ladies and gentlemen, yan po ang ating special guest, ang bida ng sayaw, walang iba kundi si Jollibee! Okay, so again, to the family members of our celebrants, especially to Sir Josh and Ma'am Joy, thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. Ayan, salamat po once again. Ayan, and of course, sa lahat ng guests po natin. Ayan, thank you so much for coming and celebrating. So it's time to Langhap Sarap! Ayan, so we have crispy licious, juicy licious chicken joy na may kasamang meatiest sweet sarap jolly spaghetti.
And of course, hindi dyan mawawala ang paborito ng mga bata, ang crispy fries. And of course, ang chocolate sundae na may kasamang regular pineapple juice.
Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, kainan na! Yan sa muli ako po sa Amazing Enzo Lorenzo, your freelance host of Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. And of course, isa ako sa mga host po ng Jollibee Narvacan. And together with...
Captivating mo kayo.
Yan! Alright, so again muli po, maraming salamat po.
Okay, Jollibee, bye-bye!
What, this?
And of course, before po natin i-consume ang ating food, so once again, our request, Ma'am Rasa, to bless our culture.
I didn't.